It's just a real pleasure to be here with the Dog Pound, the world's greatest air guitarists. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the microphone over to them.
It's a real pleasure to be here at Burlington. I'm Nils Olson.
Dog Pound.
That's Daniel Shearer from the Dog Pound. This is the title track off the new album. Thought we'd record it for you.
Dog Pound.
Dog Pound.
Explain why you think you deserve to be in the Dog Pound.
Because I've been doing this shit for 8 years and it's awesome.
Said, but I helped him drink his wine. He always had some mighty fine wine. Sing a joy to the world, a joy to the boys and girls, and a joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, a joy to you and me. And if I were the king of the world, I'd tell you what I do. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea.